Hello, friends. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Today we will learn daily use English sentences for beginners. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine too.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
Let's eat something.
That's a good idea.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Please bring some fruits.
Okay, I will.
See you later.
See you.
Great job. You learned daily use English sentences. Practice every day and your English will get better.
Bye, friends. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and family.
Must subscribe our channel to learn English easily.